how have you been today? I hope you are all well. So today we will have another lesson, and that is grade 6 music, conducting gestures of time signatures. In our previous video, we discussed what is time signature. So kung hindi nyo pa po yun napanood, panoorin nyo po yun para maintindihan natin kung ano yung time signature. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is kung paano mag-conduct ng time signature. Today, I will show you how to conduct 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signature. A quick review with our notes or ang ating mga nota. So, ang ating whole note and ang ating whole rest ay merong 4 beats. Ang ating half note and half rest ay merong 2 beats. Ang ating quarter note and ang ating quarter rest ay merong 1 beat. Ang ating 8th note and ang ating 8th rest ay merong half beat. Ang ating 16th note and 16th rest ay merong 1/4 beat. So, how to conduct 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signature. Ang uunahin natin is ang 2/4 time signature. So, 2, ibig sabihin, merong dalawang beat sa isang measure, and ang kanyang binigyan ng 1 beat ay ang quarter note. So, that's why 2/4. Okay, so ganito dapat ang position ng ating kamay, nasa chest level. And then, ang 2/4 na time signature is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so let's give a try with 2/4 signature. Bayang magiliw, perlas ang silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil. So, yun ang ating 2/4 time signature. 3/4 time signature is down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3/4 time signature. Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw, patani. So, that is our 3/4 time signature. 4/4 time signature, down, in, out, up, down, in, out, up, down, in, out, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give a try with 4/4 time signature. Leron, leron sinta, buko ng papaya, dala-dalay buslo, sisidlan ng bunga, pagdating sa dulo, nabali ang sanga, kapus kapalaran, humanap ng iba. 4/4 time signature. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new today. And if you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video and share this with your classmates and friends. And don't forget to like and follow our page. That is Cindy the Thrifty. Enjoy learning, guys. Bye! See you in our next video.